What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad. And today we are gonna be installing a new sunroof decal on my SRT8. But first I have to remove this one here. This one's starting to peel off a little bit. I do have a custom one that was made for me. This is kind of what it looks like on the inside. You can see there's an interior and there's the sunroof. I think this is as back as that goes. Yep. That's what it looks like on the inside though. And like I said, you can kind of see it peeling off in certain spots. It's kind of like white around. So I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna be showing you the new one that I'm putting on. All right, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is a company called Snowcat Customs. You can see this is one of their logos they sent me. It's pretty cool. I'll put their @ on the screen here as well. So here is the actual sunroof decal. That's what it looks like. Pretty cool. And then they also sent me bonus little gifts here. I'm gonna be adding these on to the windows and replacing the white ones that I used to have. And as you can see, they got a little bit of a carbon fiber to it. I don't know if you can see it here, but as soon as I install them, you'll be able to see it. All right, so before I remove my current decal, I wanna just kind of test fit this one. Just lay it on over the top here and see if it's gonna fit. So you can see there's one in there. Let's see here. Looks like it's about just right there. Might have to trim the ends a little bit, but not bad. So I had to trim the ends on my other one. So this one I might just trim a little bit. It's almost the exact size. So you can see here, Snowcat Customs. Follow them on Instagram if you scan this QR code right here. So I really don't want to peel off the sunroof decal in the sun, obviously. So I'll just scoot it up in the garage here. We'll get some shade. We'll open the windows here, you guys kind of hear the exhaust. This isn't a stock SRT8 either. You can see there's a lot of custom modifications in here. That's good right there. Cool. Let's hear that chop a little bit, see if it starts chopping. Yeah. Let's do another little rev here. Let's come out. Let's hear it. There she goes. All right, so just trying to peel it off right now is pretty difficult, to say the least. All right, so it's been a couple days, but I was able to get this off. I was on it on and off for the last couple days, but you can see it's all off now. So now I just gotta prep it to put the decal on, but you can see there it is. Completely clear now. So that decal over there, so I'm just gonna lay it on here to kind of just test fit it again and make sure I can put it on right, or if I need to make any adjustments. All right, so here's kind of the test fit. I'm kind of seeing this corner is kind of high, but it fits. This corner, I might have to move it up, I'll see, but it's pretty much a direct fit. So well done. Kind of see the sneak preview here, right? Gonna look pretty sick. Very nice.
It's very nice.
All right, so I set it up how I want it. I put tape down the middle. I'm gonna do half and half. So I'm just gonna get a little squeegee, kind of just push up on it. We'll take half of it off. Then we'll do the second half. So you can spray water on this, but I'm going to do it without the water. I'm just gonna straight up just unpeel it, stick it on, unpeel it again, and hopefully it sticks. All right, so you can see I unpeeled half of it there. I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna use my squeegee to push up on it, and then I'm gonna peel it off. I did prep the glass with alcohol. That way it can stick really good, all right? You can see, so I just wanna get all these bubbles out. I'm gonna go to the other side, unpeel it, stick it on like I did this, and then we're gonna unpeel it all together, okay? All right, so here it is. Try to get all the air out of it as much as I could. Again, here's a sneak preview underneath. Looks pretty cool, badass. So let me see if I can stage my camera somewhere so we can peel it off together, all right? All right, We're about to unpeel the sunroof decal. How's it gonna turn out? Alright, so here it is. Check it out. Pretty sweet. Does have a few bubbles on it. These should go away over time with the heat. So there's the outside. There's the inside. Freaking sweet.
Great success.
But let's not forget about the other ones we got. Gonna be replacing these as well. Let's take it off. YouTube, time for the money shots. Let's go. So that's gonna pretty much be all for today. You can see the sunroof decal up there. There was some bubbles left over on it, but that's gonna go away over time with the heat. Just gotta let it sit outside for a little while. Usually have it in the garage. But once again, the company is called Snowcat Customs. Again, there's their barcode on the back. They make a lot of different custom items. Like they got badges, door sills, just parts for your engine, you know. But yeah, they have a ton of stuff. I'll put some of their stuff here in the video so you guys can see some of the examples of the great work that they do. I'm definitely gonna be getting some more stuff from them. I might get a new badge as well for the side panels of the car. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today, YouTube. I'm SRT Dad. If you enjoyed this content, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to SRT Dad. I'm out.